Hi guys, today I'm going to make a bracelet. It's going viral everywhere, and I feel like I'm the only one who's not doing this. Anyway, I do make bracelets because I made today super cute bracelets today. Yes, so I thought I should try it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you how to make it, and it's really simple, and we can just make it at home also by buying some rubber bands, like these kind of rubber bands. Okay, so first you put it like this, hoops it, then put it another finger. Now you got like this, then you pull this one from the middle, it's like a crossstick, that one on the middle finger like this. So it takes time. Now repeat the same thing like this. Now pull. Now you see now there's two layers like this. Now take the down part, oops, and then something is wrong, guys. Oh, I put it in another finger. This and like this. Now cams like this. So put it like this. Now next color we're gonna use this color. So repeat the same thing all over until you finish making bracelets. So now we made like this. Now continue going like that. Okay. Next color I'm going to get this lightish pink. So we are making it sequiny type. Now which color is this color? So I'm using baby pink now. I literally like to make this. It's so cool. Okay, so now these much colors I get. Now I'm gonna repeat all the colors all over again, so it looks beautiful. So I'm gonna repeat the colors all over again. Now we got ourselves like this. Now, which colors I put? Okay, so we're gonna speed up a little. Anyway, my friend taught me, and I also know how to make it, so I'm fine. So next color is this. So I'm good to go with faster. Okay, next I put this pig. So this is this pig. Yes, it is. So now I'm going faster around the baby pig. Okay. I'll put my guys. Okay guys, now I'm gonna repeat the same things until it gets big. So I'm gonna use this color. And then I use this color. And now I use the last like this. Okay. The last color is that. Now, yes, to make a knot is really easy. So, oops. And up. Okay, we got ourselves a bracelet.